Hello kids, today we are learning the table of 5. Let's learn together. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35, 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40, 5 eight are 40. 5 nines are 45, 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50, 5 tens are 50. We are learning the table of 6. Let's learn together. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12, 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18, 6 3 are 18. 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30, 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36. 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48, 6 8 are 48. 6 nines are 24, 6 nines are 24. 6 tens are 60, 6 tens are 60. Let's learn the table of 7. 7 ones 7, 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21, 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28, 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35, 7 fives are 35. 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42. 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56, 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63, 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70, 7 tens are 70.